The Telluride gives you power for wherever the road takes you. This award-winning vehicle offers impressive handling and power, advanced technology, and a spacious interior designed for passenger comfort. The only exterior changes occur on the Telluride's already assertive front end. Kia's signature tiger nose grille is now adorned by the updated logo, which does away with the previous oval surround in favor of a more dynamic font with the letters K, I, and A linked together. The only other discernible exterior change is that the grille's mesh is now blacked out rather than chrome and black painted 20-inch rims. Under the hood, the Telluride retains the same 291 horsepower naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6, which is used on every trim level in the Telluride lineup. Interior. The other upgrades appear in the Telluride's upscale interior. All trim levels now gain navigation-based Smart Cruise Control Curve, a form of adaptive cruise control that uses navigation data to adjust speed for upcoming bends in the road before returning the vehicle's speed to the preset level. Kia has also made some of its more luxurious features standard on the lower LX and S trims, among them a 10.3-inch touchscreen, automatic climate control, and semi-autonomous highway driving assist. Prices have increased only slightly for 2022. The base LX FWD trim now costs $34,015, a $600 bump versus 2021. The front-wheel drive S is now $36,515, up $700 compared to last year, while the EX FWD only increases by $200 to $39,015. The top-of-the-line SX trim, in FWD guise, is now $43,915, also $200 more than the 2021 version. All-wheel drive still adds $2,000 to the price of each trim level.